I'm so tired of people telling moms these lies about work from home opportunities. Lie number one, it's easy. Guess what? Anytime you're talking about generating income, building a business online, offering services, it's not gonna be rainbows and sunshine every single day. Building my freelance copywriting business was one of the most challenging things I've ever done. It's definitely had its ups and downs and challenges along the way. Everything worth doing does, and it's been 110% worth it. Not only has learning how to make money from home as a freelance copywriter helped generate almost $1.5 million for my family in the last 5 years, it has helped me grow as a person, challenge myself, and learn that I was capable of so much more than I thought. But it definitely wasn't easy. Lie number two, if you want to start an online business, you need a business degree. Also, not true. Anything you don't know can be learned, and you don't have to go back to college for an MBA to learn it. When I first started out, I did one of the smartest things I've ever done for my business, and I hired a coach, somebody who was ahead of where I was, who was doing what I wanted to be doing, that I knew I could learn from, get advice from, feel supported by, get encouragement, so that I could create my own freelance copywriting business based on what had been proven to work. Going to a college campus and sitting there for 2 years in classes and racking up tens of thousands of dollars of debt would have never gotten me this far, and I'd still be paying for it. And lie number three, the only option stay-at-home moms have to make money is an MLM, network marketing opportunity, a pyramid scheme. That's maybe the worst down dirty lie I've ever heard. There are literally hundreds, probably thousands of make money from home opportunities out there. I could list off a dozen right now. Social media manager, freelance copywriter, funnel builder, virtual assistant, SEO expert. If you can learn a specialized skill, there are people out there who are willing to pay you for it. I went into sales copywriting. People pay me tens of thousands of dollars every month to write the copy that sells their products and services. So if you're a free spirit like me, who refuses to accept that a business has to be run a certain way, doesn't want to leave her kids, wants to maintain her freedom while staying financially free, you can start an online business and generate income from home on your own schedule without sacrificing your family or your freedom. If you love words and you love writing, maybe freelance copywriting could be for you. My whole channel is full of content that help wordy mamas just like me and you grow as freelance copywriters, land clients, make money, and become financially free in a way that they only ever dreamed. Follow for more tips.